Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this tutorial, you will learn how you can connect Airtable with Microsoft Teams in such a way that as and when you are going to create any new record in Airtable, the details of that record will be sent to your team working in Microsoft Teams automatically. So guys, now you can see on my screen, this will be the flow of this automation. Here, as and when you are going to add any new row here in a base in Airtable, the same details of the row will be sent as a message in a channel in Microsoft Teams automatically. So you do not have to manually do this task. So if you're using Airtable for tracking your project or for creating the record of your task that you want to assign to your team, you can use this workflow. And we are using Pabbly Connect to make this happen. And guys, the best part is you can set up this automation without any coding skills very easily. So let's set up this automation together. To set up this automation, guys, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here you can use this link pabbly.com/connect. So we have pasted this same in the description as well. From here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And guys, here you have to create a workflow. For that, just click on this create workflow button, and after that you can give a name to this workflow here. So you can give any suitable name. So I am giving the name here is Airtable to Microsoft Teams automation. Okay, right. So after filling the name like this, you just have to click on create, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page you will find the trigger and the action. So the automation is going to work on these two things only. Here the trigger is that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards this trigger. So in this use case, the trigger would be adding of a new row of data here in Airtable, and the action towards the trigger would be to send the details of that record to Microsoft Teams in a channel automatically. Okay, so first of all you need to set up the trigger. So from this choose a field, choose Airtable as your application, trigger application. Okay, and in the trigger event you have to select this new record option, so it will trigger when a new record is available. Okay, and here you can see it is going to trigger in every 10 minutes. So this means this trigger is going to check in every 10 minutes if there is a new record in Airtable or not. And if it finds a new record, the date, it is going to trigger the workflow and a message will be delivered to your team. Okay, so now click on connect here, and from here select add new connection option. If you are making the connection with Airtable for the very first time, select this. Here this connection is going to be saved in your account. It is asking for the Airtable's API key. So you will find the key in the account section of Airtable. Let me show you. This is a base I have created in Airtable, and here is a table named as scenes, and I have created this table and this base for a production company. Okay, so here you can see we are tracking the shootings things. Okay, like you can see we have this name label. In this name label we are recording the scene's name, the sequence number, the location, the cast, the props available, and the attachments used. And here we have the created and here we have a column in which we are recording the dates and the time of the adding of the record. Okay, right. So here you can see I have this profile icon. From here click on accounts and you will reach the account section, and here under the accounts when you scroll down you will find this API key right here. So you can just open this key, copy this key and paste this key here in this field like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Airtable. And here it is asking for the base's name. So my base's name is this Indie Film Production. So I'm going to select it from this list, Indie Film Production. Okay, and here we have many tables in this base. You can see shorts, props, cast, crew. I'm going to select this scenes table, guys, because here we are recording the details about the scenes and the sequence. Okay, so this is I am going to select here the scenes table. Okay, so guys, after selecting that table, it is asking for the trigger field. So guys, you must have a trigger field also in your table, in a table. And to create a trigger field, you can read the instructions. Let me show you. This is my table, and I have selected this, I have created this field here, and I have named this as created, and the type of this field is created only. So when you click on this plus icon, you can add a field, and from this field type you can scroll down and select this created type field, created time field. Okay, so when you select this, it will ask for the times format, so you can select your format, you can select the the hours format also, and then click on create field option to create a field like this. Okay, so that field will act as a trigger field. This means that whenever you are going to enter the data in any new row here, the time and the date of that entry will be recorded in this field, and that is going to trigger our workflow. Okay, so you can create the field easily, and after selecting the trigger field here from this field, you can click on save and send test request, and the most recent entry that you have created here in your base or table here will be fetched in your workflows response. Let me show you. I am clicking here on save and send test request, and let's see if we got the data. And here you can see we got the data captured here like this. It is showing us the field's name, town gathering. Let's check. Here you can see in the third row we have this town gathering name of a scene. Okay, and that is got captured here, and that is only the most recent data I have entered here. Okay, in the last or the third row, and it got captured here like this. So it is showing the field's name, the location, the sequence number, and all the things that I have entered. You can see I have also entered a photo here in the attachment field. Okay, so the link of that attachment is also captured here. This is the file's name, this is the file's type, this is the file's URL. Okay, and all other things are also captured. So this is this is how you can capture the data. Now I want to send this same data to my team, which is here on Microsoft Teams in a channel. So in Microsoft Teams, I have a sales and marketing team, and this is a general channel I have. Okay, so I want to send the message here. So for that to happen, just use this action step, and in this action step, connect Microsoft Teams application. This is Microsoft Teams, select it, and in the action event, select send message in a channel option, click on connect. From this window, select add new connection, then click on connect with Microsoft Teams. All right, and it is asking to help us to protect. You can skip this for now. Okay, and here it is asking the request or the permission to be given to Pabbly Connect to make this connection with Microsoft Teams. So these are the permissions you have to give to Pabbly Connect. Just click on accept. That is completely safe, and you will be connected with Microsoft Teams in a few moments. So you can see we are now connected, and here it is asking for the team's name. So my team's name is sales and marketing, so I'm going to select it from here, sales and marketing. And we have two channels here, general and monthly reports. So I'm going to select general channel here, and in this message field you can type a standard message for your team for every new Airtable entry. So I'm typing the message here. So guys, this is a message I have typed for my team, and here it is. I'm saying, hello team, your new task record for today's shooting schedule is added in Airtable base. The details are as follows, and here I'm going to map the details I have received from Airtable in this response. So I have received all these labels here, so I'm going to map these labels. So I'm just clicking on this name of scene thing in front of this word, and here you can see we have this field name label. I'm going to map it in front of scene name. Similarly, I can map the sequence number and the location. Okay, and here in the attachments, I'm going to map the attachment I have received, the file that I have in my table, which is this. I have mapped the URL of that file here. Okay, Now you can check your connection with Microsoft Team by clicking on Save and Send Test Request, and a message will be delivered here along with your data in your general channel. Okay, so I'm clicking on Save and Send Test Request, and this is the response we have received here. Let's check in Microsoft Teams if we got a new message, and the message is this. You can see it is showing, hello team, your new task record for today's shooting schedule is here, and these are the things that we have received here, and these are the same things that I have mapped here in this message, you can see. Okay, so guys, when you map these labels like this, what will happen in real time whenever you are going to add any new row here in Airtable, these labels are going to change accordingly, and a new message will be delivered every time you add a new row with the new details. Okay, so you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, it is going to run automatically as and when you are going to add any new row in your Airtable base. So guys, you can use this same workflow also, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description. So you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.